friends. Today, here at the Girl in the Garden, we harvested potatoes. My potatoes did not do well this year. The purple ones did the best. So at least now I know which planters are best for potatoes. I'm getting rid of all of my cloth planters because nothing grows well in there. So anyway, this is all I got. But some started to get those little roots on them before I harvested. So I don't know if we will actually roast these up and eat them, or if I'm just going to put them someplace dark and let them start to sprout so I can just replant next year. And I will plant them all where I had planted the purple ones this year to see if I can get more potatoes. So, I'm not happy with it, but I'm not sad either. I'm still learning and trying different things to see what I can do, so that's okay. But anyway, this is it. This is all I got. Some of them are pretty tiny. Others are much bigger and look better. I have them here on my stove because my cabinet is full of onions if you didn't see the onion harvest video yet. So I gotta figure out where I'm gonna move these to so I can get my stove cleaned up so we can actually eat today and actually cook. So anyway, that's it for the potatoes. This is Tina, the Girl in the Garden. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to do all the free stuff. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment below, share the video, and I'll see you next time here at the Girl in the Garden. Bye!